Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you one mistake that I observed that some salespeople do that cost them the deal. This mistake is called do not ask the closing question too early. Do not close too early. So in your sales process, you will have your fact-finding, understanding each other, building rapport, understanding the problems and concern, giving the solution, and eventually close. So, and if you ask a closing question in any of those stages before your closing stage, that might cost you the deal. I observe some salespeople while they are pitching, about their products, about their services, while they're doing the presentation, halfway through the presentation, they pops the closing question. Never pops the closing question when your buyer is not ready. When the buyer is not ready, they are going to raise all the defense mechanism against your question, and you are going to lose that deal. You have to get them ready for the deal. You have to prepare them for the sale, right? So this is in your sales pitch, you have to organize properly and know when to pop the closing question. Sometimes it comes with experience that will give you you have a gut feel that tells you, okay, this is that time to ask the closing question, or otherwise don't do it while you are explaining your products to your buyer, or while you are sharing some insights to your buyer. Don't do the closing question. Do it at the end of your session. I'm going to give you an analogy. If you meet someone and you think that this person, you can develop further friendship, relationship with this person, you like to take this friendship further, there might be chance that you will both of you can get together, and then of course you go for a date or two, get comfortable with each other. But while you are during the initial stage, while you're going on a date, getting comfortable with each other, getting to understand each other more, you suddenly pops the questions, you want to go for the grand finale. You will scare the other person off. Do you understand that? So it is like sales. You do not pop the closing question. You do not ask that question until you are very sure that person, your buyer, is ready. All right, so this is one quick tip for you. Do not close too early. Do not close too early. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.